It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, brought to you by Command Family Medicine, Heating and Air Paramedics, The Trailer Ranch, Hewitt Messenger, and Taylor Grubaugh Chevrolet. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everybody. You are listening to Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, and I am glad you are here. It is Thursday, and we are waking up with temperatures that are nice and cool. I think everybody's loving this fall cool down. It's a week before Halloween. We've got the nice cool fall temperatures in place, and this morning is not quite as cold as it was yesterday morning when we had many folks in the 30s. This morning, we're generally in the low 40s. It's still chilly, still jacket weather, and there's a whole lot of sunshine on deck for your Thursday afternoon. In fact, today is going to be quite nice in the forecast, maybe the best day of the week because we've got sunshine and I don't have temperatures that are too terribly cold. High temp of 70 here in Springfield today. We also are going to see a light breeze today compared with those windy days Monday and Tuesday. I do expect that conditions today will stay fairly calm with an east breeze in the forecast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Conditions are going to be pretty pleasant through the daylight hours today, but rain and storms return in the extended forecast, and that's the big headline for you. I have rain and storm activity returning very late tonight. I'm talking like after midnight tonight. So we are going to stay totally rain free on your Thursday. Friday, I can't say the same thing. We've got sunny skies and 70 degrees though in the forecast today. So it's a great day to get out, get things done. Grass maybe still growing because of the rain that we had over last weekend. You can get out, get that mowed today before more rain moves in tomorrow. I do expect unsettled conditions to arrive in the Ozarks very late tonight. As I said, I'm expecting this to happen after 1 a.m. Shower and thunderstorm chances are going to return for us as this very slow moving weather system lifts north into the Ozarks. Now, this comes with a frontal boundary that increases the moisture that we have. It's a slow mover, meaning that our rain chances will likely persist overnight into Friday and into Saturday, perhaps even bleed over into Sunday of the weekend. But it does look like a couple of cool fall days are in store for us. So prepare for rain to move back into the region. Rain chances in the forecast through at least Saturday of this week, and a few places in the Ozarks are going to get a substantial amount of rainfall. Looks like northern Arkansas could see more than 2 inches of rain. There's a pretty good chance for that. That also exists in the far southwestern counties of Missouri. I'm thinking a line all the way from Taney County back up through portions of Wright County, all the way to Joplin. That's who has the best chance for heavy rain in the forecast. I do think 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is possible everywhere in the Ozarks. However, in the Springfield region, we're probably going to be closer to 1 to 2 inches, and that's the same for our northern and eastern counties as well. I do expect the peak of this rain activity to fall on Friday, so prepare for tomorrow to be the soggy day in this forecast. Next week, temperatures are going to drop. We have this nice cold fall pattern that's going to stick with us into next week. And I have shower chances that return as early as Tuesday of next week as well. So enjoy the sunshine and the 70s that we have today. We are in for a few cloudy ones ahead. Showers likely in the forecast. Starting late overnight tonight, we may wake up to some of those on Friday. Additional showers Friday afternoon into Friday night. And yes, even more Saturday into Saturday night. We will see high temperatures tomorrow limited to the upper 50s. We're in the low 60s on Saturday and Sunday, so it's a cooler pattern for sure. This nice cool down is in the forecast for the second half of October. Around the country, what's making headlines is this heavy rain threat that's emerging across portions of the south central plains. That happens overnight tonight. We also see unsettled weather that's expected to continue from the Great Lakes to the Northeast for a couple of days. All of that while heavy rain is preparing to fall once again for the Northwest starting tomorrow and lasting through tomorrow night. So lots of changes happening across the area. All right, it's time for the Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister trivia question for the day. And the question that I left you with yesterday was this: which of these severe weather events is most likely to cause widespread power outages in the fall due to its impact of trees and power lines? Do you think it's A, derechos, B, hailstorms, C, fog, or D, dust storms? Well, if you answered A, derechos, you would be correct. It's a lesser known term, but we've experienced our fair share of them here in the Ozarks. A derecho is a widespread, fast moving complex of thunderstorms that produces powerful straight line winds. They can be strong as those in a hurricane. So now you know. And the question is kind of what clued into that, talking about impact to trees and power lines. The answer A, derechos. All right, here's the trivia question for tomorrow. Which atmospheric condition is most likely to contribute to the formation of severe storms in the fall in the United States? Do you think it is A, high pressure systems, B, cold fronts, C, stable air masses, or D, low humidity? You can let me know your guess. That's at the website aroundtheozarks.com. Thank you so much to our sponsors, Command Family Medicine, Heating and Air Paramedics, the Trailer Ranch, Hewitt Messenger, and Taylor Grubaugh Chevrolet. Have a great one, everybody. I will chat with you again first thing tomorrow morning.